So I just got a horn blasted at me. Tell me I'm dragging. It looks like some others might be, but what I think it is anchor alarm showed that I swung around and then reset, but it wouldn't hurt to throw out some additional scope. The anchor pull, but getting to a location where I can drop it again is now becoming a real challenge. Try and get up over here. This guy happy. Yeah, it's not good to drag. Not sure I was really dragging. I think I'd reset, but he was really worried I was going to swing into him. So I've clearly got to get a new anchor hook bridle line. And I'm thinking it would probably be a good idea to buy some more chain. Apparently 45 feet is not enough. I'm thinking 10 times the draft makes sense. It's a little bit expensive, but I guess that's what I'll be looking at.